In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate AI images for free using Canva. If this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on notification so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. For those of you that are new to Canva, I've dropped a video link in the description of this video on how you can navigate this platform called Canva. Now, to generate AI images using Canva for free, first of all, you're going to open your Canva app, or you can go to canva.com. I've dropped the link in the description of this video also. Now, to start generating your AI images for free, once you're already logged in to your Canva account, first thing you need to do is you go to custom size. Now, the reason why we are going to custom size is because we want to um, put in the size of our project. So maybe if it's something that we want to actually use for our Instagram, the normal Instagram size is 1080 by 1080 pixels, or if it's something we want to use for reels, real size is 1080 1920, or for YouTube videos is 1920 1080, depending on the size you actually want to use. You understand? So you go to custom size, and once you go to custom size, you can put in the width and the height of your project. But for the sake of this tutorial, we want to be using these images on we want to upload these images on our Instagram, so we're going to use the 1080 1080. So you can just input 1080 1080. So you click on create new design. All right, so what we're going to be doing in this next step is to start generating our AI images, depending on the image you want to generate for your project. Now, to do that, you go to this place you see apps. So on your navigation bar, on your sidebar, you're going to see different items. So what the item we actually want to click is the apps. So once you click on apps, you now search for AI gen. So you search for AI image gen. You understand? So you just click on it, and you see this icon that is here with an eye, right? So you click it, you tap on this AI image generator. Now, once you click on the AI image generator, it's going to tell you to describe the image you want to create. So in this part, right, you're going to describe the image you actually want to generate, so that the AI can actually generate that image for you. So for the sake of the tutorials, we want to generate an African child running with food. Understand? So you come to here and type in the description of the image you actually want to generate. So let's say an African child, an African boy. Let's say an African boy running with food in his hands. Now you try as much as possible to explain your images very well, so that you can get the exact thing you are actually looking for. And it has the option for you to create, and has the option of this thing to also surprise you, right? So if you click on, now this is what we want an African boy running with food in his hands to his mother. So let's add to his mother. You understand? So you now click on create. You click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to create that image for you that you've actually specified. Now, for you to get the right results, it's very, very important to put in enough enough details of what you actually want to generate. Now this is the image we just generated. You can see an African boy is running with food in his hands, but he's actually facing back. You understand? So this is the image we just generated now. So we can also try another one. Let's say we're not really satisfied with this, so let's paste back the first one we did. So you can see an African boy running with food in his hand to his mother who is standing outside. To his mother who is standing outside. Remember, you have to describe the image you want, describe it as much as you want, so you can get the exact result you actually looking for. Now remember these are AI images, so if you're not really satisfied, you can't. Okay, so this what it generated. So you can see an African child running with food. You understand? You can see the African child running with food, but the mother is not there. So you just keep on generating till you, like I said, during your description, you are going to describe your image as much as possible, so you can get your desired result. So let's do another one again. So let's say an African boy running with food in his hands to his mother who is standing outside. So let's say show the mother also. Show the mother in the photo. So let's generate this. So click on create, and let's click on that and wait for our image to generate. So you can see what they're generating. Understand? So sometimes you may not get the exact thing you're actually generating, but you can get closer to that. So you just keep on generating till you find that which you are actually looking for. So these are to generate images. These are to generate AI images using Canva. I hope you like this video. Kindly drop questions in the comment section if you have any questions to ask, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.